Namaste. What is the best way of managing your existing problems like diabetic? Let us see today diabetic how best you can manage with an easy and simple technique. So you all know the lifestyle is a problem. The diabetic is a psychosomatic disease. It is basically a lifestyle issue. There's nothing like a medicine. It's all about how you manage type 2 diabetic. So if you're type 2 diabetic, all you need to do is change your lifestyle. What is a simple way of doing? Many people have many questions and so many suggestions they used to follow, and lot of confusions are there. Let us avoid all the confusions, make it very simple. The simple lifestyle for the diabetic is the proper dinacharya. First thing is follow a strict timetable for your daily schedule. Getting up early in the morning, 1.5 hours before sunrise. That is the first primary requirement. Next, drink water, warm water, if possible, that ginger, warm water, so that you can clean your intestines. 4 to 6 glasses water you must drink in the morning. And clean system properly. If it is not cleansed once, you drink again another 6 glasses after 1 hour. But first you start the ablution with the drinking water. Once you get done the ablution, practice exercise. Just walk for a few miles, 1 or 2 miles, or you can practice. You better do a stretches. Importantly, whether you walk or run doesn't matter, but you also must practice. It is a must. Yoga sadhana, daily yoga. Make a daily yoga as a habit. Morning, early morning after your cleansing, and try Surya Namaskara 12 rounds. Whatever the possible way, in your own possible way, try to do the best possible way. Surya Namaskaras, and then few asanas like Vakrasana, Ardha Chandrasana, and simple asanas, whatever you can do, very simple asanas you can practice. Apart from that, pranayamas, Kapalabhati, Bhastrika, Brahmari, Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shuddhi. So you practice these pranayamas and then meditation for some time. So that way you may make it as a yoga sadhana as part of your life. And what is the morning, after yoga, what you should do? Drink a glass of water with 1 lemon, fresh lemon squeezed or lime squeezed, and drink 1 glass of water. After half an hour, you can eat 1 Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry means the usirikaya or nalikaya. 1 Indian gooseberry. It gives you very good C vitamin and antioxidants. It's the highest C vitamin. So that's why you try to get that and eat. You should eat a raw format. Pickle format is a negative. So you should not eat any pickle format. So always use a raw Indian gooseberry if you have the choice. If you do not have, of course you can use the other immune boosters, locally available berries. But the Indian gooseberry is the highest C vitamin, antioxidants. And apart from that, the next step after half an hour, try to do or 1 hour gap. You can have your meal or breakfast with the proper high protein breakfast. High protein breakfast with more the pulses and more fresh and like a millet and things like that, and also with the more vegetables. 50% of your food must be the steamed vegetables. Use creeper vegetables more, so that way you can keep your diabetic under control. So next one, you can continue work without any stress. You will happily continue stress. Whenever you get stressed, you try to do a stretching exercise like this. take deep breath, stretch, and try to do some stretches and relax yourself. And do one pranayama, simple. Take deep breathing in and long breathe out. That way, try to spend 1 minute, relieve your stress. Always be stress free. So throughout your work, afternoon lunch you can have with more vegetables and so proper meal you will have anyway in the morning. That's breakfast, the proper meal with the millets and vegetables and sambar, whatever it is. So eat properly, and then afternoon you can have more liquidy kind of things like java, any millet java, like it is the yellow sorghum or jawar. The pieces of jawar you can make it as a liquid form, and you can drink that, or you can eat along with the vegetables or vegetable soup. So that way it's very good. But you have more vegetables. And next one you can have every 1 hour try to drink water, the warm water. Keep sipping the water, and until evening do not eat anything, no snacking in between. And the evening after 4 hours of gap, then maybe 5 o'clock you can have a 1 or 2 oranges or musambi, mainly more C vitamin citrus fruits you can have, which is basically seasonal fruits like musambi, like sweet lemon, so that you will gain more C vitamin. The C vitamin is more important for your immune system, by the way. And the next 6:30, by the time you finish your dinner with more the liquidy kind of thing, the best way is, if you are used to the carbs, you better take the low carb diet, which is a simple liquid form ragi malt. This is the lowest form of the carb, and you make it as a more liquidy, like a drink 2-3 glasses, make it full of stomach, and you can have with add a little pepper also, so it gives you immune boost. So that way you can avoid all your even joint pains and diabetic under control. So it's a wonderful thing. So later on, maybe you can drink some water before going to bed, but go into the bed early, maybe by 9 o'clock. So that's useful. Before going to the sleep, have a few minutes of meditation, peacefully, calmly, relax yourself, have a good sleep. The good rest is very important. So have a wonderful sleep. Do not have any fear, any worries. Always be happy. So happily take rest, and again get ready for the next day early morning. Get up. So this lifestyle is very important. You can easily manage this diabetic thing just with the lifestyle. Thank you.